Imagine soaring over crystal-clear lakes, landing on secluded beaches, or gliding through mountain valleys, all in your very own aircraft. For most people, owning a plane feels like an impossible dream, something only for the super-rich or elite pilots. But what if I told you there are incredible, affordable aircraft out there, ones you can actually buy and fly? In this video, we're counting down 8 amazing planes that break the mold, offering everyday adventurers the chance to experience the skies in style. So, fasten your seatbelt and get ready to discover the world of accessible aviation, because one of these planes might just be the key to your next adventure. Let's start the video with the Pistal Alpha Trainer, an eco-friendly light sport aircraft that's redefining what training planes can be. Designed primarily for flight schools and recreational pilots, this two-seater is incredibly efficient, keeping costs low without sacrificing performance. Powered by the reliable Rotax 912 engine, the Alpha Trainer cruises comfortably at 108 miles per hour, making it perfect for short-distance hops or scenic flights. With a range of around 372 miles, you can take to the skies without worrying about frequent fuel stops, making it ideal for extended training sessions or leisurely flights. And here's the best part. This modern trainer comes with a price tag of about $120,000, which is competitive for this category and offers great value for aspiring pilots. If you're looking for a stylish, budget-friendly aircraft that's gentle on the environment, the Pistal Alpha Trainer might just be the perfect choice. In addition, we have the Gyro Cavlin, a sleek and innovative gyroplane that brings a unique twist to personal aviation. Unlike traditional aircraft, the Cavlin features side-by-side seating within a fully enclosed cabin, offering both pilot and passenger a comfortable and immersive flying experience. Its design ensures excellent visibility and a spacious interior, making it ideal for both leisurely flights and practical missions. Powered by a Rotax 915's engine, the Cavlin delivers impressive performance with a cruise speed of approximately 120 miles per hour and a range of around 370 miles, depending on conditions and payload. This gyroplane is renowned for its stability and ease of handling, providing a smooth ride even in turbulent conditions. As of 2024, the factory-built Cavlin is priced starting at $150,000, with kit options available for those interested in building their own. This pricing makes the Cavlin an accessible option for aviation enthusiasts seeking a distinctive and capable aircraft. Whether you're drawn to its cutting-edge design, exceptional performance, or the sheer joy of open cockpit flying, the Gyro Cavlin offers a remarkable and attainable aviation experience. Next up, it is the CMAX M22, an amphibious light sport aircraft that seamlessly blends versatility with performance. Crafted with precision, the M22 is designed for both water and land operations, making it an ideal choice for adventurers seeking diverse flying experiences. Powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 engine, the CMAX M22 boasts a maximum speed of 130 miles per hour and a cruising speed of 115 miles per hour. Its impressive range of approximately 500 miles allows for extended journeys without frequent refueling stops. One of the standout features of the M22 is its folding wings, enabling easy storage and transport. This design innovation allows pilots to store the aircraft in spaces as compact as a standard garage, significantly reducing hangar costs and enhancing convenience. As of 2024, the CMAX M22 is available in various configurations, with prices starting at $208,400 for the performance model. The exclusive model is priced at $218,600, and the IFR plus autopilot model starts at $234,600. Whether you're taking off from a runway or a serene lake, the CMAX M22 offers a unique and exhilarating flying experience, embodying the spirit of adventure and freedom in aviation. Let me introduce you to the Super Petrol LS, an amphibious biplane that combines vintage aesthetics with modern engineering, offering pilots a versatile and enjoyable flying experience. Designed for both water and land operations, The Super Petrol LS stands out with its unique biplane configuration, providing efficient lift and stable handling. Powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 engine, the Super Petrol LS achieves a maximum cruise speed of 100 knots, 115 miles per hour, and boasts a range of approximately 510 miles, making it suitable for both short excursions and longer journeys. One of its notable features is a retractable tricycle landing gear, allowing seamless transitions between land and water surfaces. The aircraft's design ensures excellent stability during water operations, reducing the risk of flipping, a common concern with seaplanes. As of 2024, the Super Petrol LS is no longer in production, having been succeeded by the Super Petrol XP. However, pre-owned models are available on the market, with prices varying based on age, condition, and equipment. Recent listings have shown prices ranging from $143,400 to $215,000. Whether you're taking off from a runway or a serene lake, the Super Petrol LS offers a unique and exhilarating flying experience, embodying the spirit of adventure and freedom in aviation. Introducing the Sonex Aircraft JSX-2, a single-seat, jet-powered kit aircraft that brings the thrill of jet aviation into the hands of enthusiasts. Designed for those seeking high performance and aerobatic capabilities, the JSX-2 offers an unparalleled flying experience. Powered by the PBS TJ100 turbojet engine, the JSX-2 delivers approximately 247 pounds of thrust, enabling a cruise speed of around 200 miles per hour and a range of approximately 300 miles. Its compact design and responsive handling make it ideal for both recreational flying and aerobatic maneuvers. As of 2024, the JSX-2 kit is priced at $66,000, with the PBS TJ100 engine available for $74,000. The JSX-2 features a fully retractable tricycle landing gear system, enhancing aerodynamics and performance. Its design includes removable wings for easy storage and transport, making it a practical choice for pilots with limited hangar space. Whether you're an experienced pilot looking to build your own jet or an aviation enthusiast eager for a unique flying experience, the Sonex Aircraft JSX-2 offers an accessible and exhilarating entry into the world of personal jet aviation. We got to the Icon A5, an amphibious light sport aircraft that redefines personal aviation by combining versatility with user-friendly design. This two-seater aircraft is engineered for both water and land operations, making it ideal for adventurers seeking diverse flying experiences. The A5 is powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 engine, delivering a maximum speed of 109 miles per hour and a cruise speed of 95 knots, 109 miles per hour. It boasts a range of approximately 491 miles, allowing for extended journeys without frequent refueling stops. One of the standout features of the Icon A5 is its folding wings, which facilitate easy storage and transport. This design innovation allows owners to store the aircraft in spaces as compact as a standard garage, significantly reducing hangar costs and enhancing convenience. As of 2024, the base price for the Icon A5 is $269,000, with fully equipped models priced at $389,000. Let's talk about the Ruden Long Easy, my personal favorite on this list. Designed by the legendary Burt Ruden, this aircraft is as iconic as it is innovative. The Long Easy stands out with its unique canard design, placing a small forward wing in front of the main wings, which gives it unparalleled stability and efficiency in flight. The sleek, aerodynamic shape not only looks futuristic, but allows for incredible range and fuel efficiency. Powered by a Lycoming O235 engine, the Long Easy can cruise at speeds around 160 knots, about 184 miles per hour, and cover distances of over 2,000 miles on a single tank. Imagine the places you could explore with that kind of range. It's ideal for cross-country flights, and its efficient design makes long hauls surprisingly affordable. While kits are no longer in active production, plans are still available, and many aviation enthusiasts have taken on the rewarding challenge of building one themselves. A completed Long Easy can be found on the market for prices ranging from around $40,000 to $80,000, depending on the build quality and equipment. Not bad for a piece of aviation history. The Ruden Long Easy isn't just a plane. It's an adventure machine that offers unparalleled freedom to roam the skies. With its unique look, incredible efficiency, and impressive range, it's easy to see why this aircraft has such a dedicated fan base and why it's my personal favorite. Thanks for joining us on this journey through some of the most incredible, attainable aircraft out there. Whether you're dreaming of landing on a secluded lake, flying cross-country, or just feeling the freedom of the skies, these planes make it possible without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest content.